Instead of saying very simple, you can say basic. Instead of saying very old, you can say ancient. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some words you can use instead of very. So keep watching this video. Hello language lovers, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because today is Friday. We always get to learn through games, and today we're going to be learning something very interesting. We're going to learn other ways of saying things instead of very. And without further ado, let's jump right in. Instead of saying very simple, you can just say basic. Instead of saying very shy, you can say timid. Instead of saying very open, you can use the word transparent. Instead of saying very poor, you can say destitute. Destitute. Instead of saying very quiet, you can say hushed. Hushed. Instead of saying very rich, you can say wealthy. Instead of saying very sharp, you can say keen. Keen. Instead of saying very rainy, you can say pouring. Instead of saying very painful, you can say excruciating. And instead of saying very pale, you can say ashen. Instead of saying old, you can say ancient. Instead of saying very perfect, you can say flawless. So instead of saying very serious, you can say grave. Instead of saying very shiny, you can say gleaming, gleaming. Instead of saying very short, you can say brief, brief. Instead of saying very noisy, you can say deafening. Instead of saying very clear, you can say obvious. Instead of saying very long, you can say extensive, extensive. And instead of saying very stupid, you can say idiotic, idiotic. And finally, instead of saying very warm, you can say hot. That's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something. Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're yet to do so, and hit the notification button so you don't miss a lesson, because every lesson is invaluable. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.